Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed and another Technique Tuesday. So today I want to just brief over the differences between a walk around turn and a spot turn, or a quick underarm turn, as we refer to a lot of the time here on our channel. So I'm going to use the rumba as an example, but it does happen in a lot of different dances. So the walk around turn and the quick underarm turn are both in the rumba section on our website, and I think the walk around turn is available for free on YouTube. But just to demonstrate the differences, what the walk around turn looks like is I'm just walking, curving in a circle, not even turning really, just curving. And then a spot turn, for example, if I did it from an open break, just to show you a pattern, I'm going to turn on the spot a lot faster, and I pivot on both feet, where the other one I'm just kind of curving around. Okay, so the walk around turn is simply just curving, walking forward, rotating very gradually and taking up more space, where a spot turn is quite literally turning on the spot that I am, and the timing would be much faster. So for example, if I took a side step on the slow, I'm going to pivot quick, quick, slow, and I've already made my full rotation, my full spot turn. If I did the walk around turn, for example, I go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So you can see there's quite a difference between these two types of turns. Like I said, it's seen in the rumba, it's seen in the waltz, and then we have quick underarm turns in a lot of other dances. A lot of different versions, but the rumba and the cha-cha, this one will be exactly the same. But you can see the differences between the two. Both have the term turn in it. So sometimes the walk around turn can be misunderstood and we turn too quickly, or we make a pivot on the spot instead of walking and curving continuously. Both are or can be underneath the arm like we have in the videos, but there's other versions down the line with the spot turn that you could do solo. But for now, that's all with a partner. And that is it, just a quick little demonstration on how the two turns are quite different. Hopefully this helps you, and be sure to head to our website, ballroomfeed.com, for many more videos on the rumba and many other styles as well. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.